Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to start a video call on the WhatsApp PC app with the latest update. Whether you're connecting with friends or colleagues, these simple steps will have you video calling in no time. Let's jump right in. First, you want to open your WhatsApp account on your PC. Launch the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure your app is up to date to access all the latest features. Next, once you're in, it's time to find the chat you want to call. You can scroll through your recent chats or use the search bar to quickly locate the person you want to connect with. Once you've found the right chat, open the conversation. This will display your message history with that contact, so you can catch up on any past messages before making the call. Now, here comes the exciting part. To initiate the video call, simply look for the video camera icon located at the top right corner of the chat window. Click on the video call icon, and just like that, you're on your way to connecting face-to-face, even from miles away. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy your video call on the WhatsApp app for PC. Remember, whether you're sharing a laugh or having an important meeting, WhatsApp makes it easy to stay connected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates and tutorials. Happy calling!